Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to PEPE update today. So PEPE has been moving up. In yesterday's video I talked about a bank system, and this is basically when you trade based off on a bank system. So the bank system suggests that do not wait for the break and the retest, just take the trade because the pattern is actually forming up. So I actually did take the trade on the private, and I want to actually show you the private. And by the way, Arshad Nadeem really brought us a gold medal from the Olympics, which is pretty awesome to see. And there's a lot of things I want to show you. So number one was trade ideas. There are some few conversation I want to show you as well. So trade ideas. We're going to get into the trade ideas, but before that, into the private, told you. No, first of all, I took PEPE. Okay, so I said give PEPE a try. We entered at 7792, and I'm looking at, of course, 11430, which basically gives us a 46% move to the upside. So the entry was amazing, 7792. We're actually sitting at 8500 right now. And I said that, told you there was a gap at 62k for Bitcoin. I couldn't believe the first time the market dumped, but I was brave enough to give you PEPE because it did make sense to me for the market to go down. We are 12% up with PEPE, and that's what private channel is for. Bold decisions from my side, or others are scared to make one. So during these times when it's really tough to trade, when the market is scary, you really have to trade that fear. Basically, trade the fear. That's what I can say. Sometime when it's really scary, just jump into it. When it feels really, really, really risky, then take it. Just take it. One more thing is that the trade ideas, right? The trade ideas, again, I have shared one more pattern. All of you guys are enjoying the trade ideas, and I've just made another one. So check the comment for Discord link to join. And I've given Do AI, I guess that's the name, and we have a parallel channel at the moment with Do AI. So if you break above, you have this, you go to the upside. So I'm actually giving you a reference, of course, for Do AI as well. And here it is. Okay, so we're sitting right now at that resistance point. If it goes down, you go down. If it goes up, well, you have a 46% in your bag. Okay, so this is like 46% setup we're talking about. Huge. Okay, 46% is a lot of money. So that's what it is. And yeah, what else can I say, guys? PEPE. Okay, so that coin here, back to the technicals, is that you of course have the left shoulder head, the right shoulder, you've broken above, and yes, we're looking for probably that push to the upside, and it makes a lot of sense to go back up because that's where you have the channel resistance as well. So we might see a little bit of a sideways here before we do not really get up to that technical target. So yes, you have the channel, you're here, you probably might be going up there, and Bitcoin also might move up to $67,000 at some point. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love, peace.